In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to download RADKit and sign on for the first time. Next. To begin, open a browser and go to radkit.cisco.com. On the top right of the screen, click on Documentation. After installation, select Downloads. The latest release will be the last on the list. In this example, it is 1.7.3, so I will select that one. Next, select the correct file based on your operating system. Once the file is downloaded, click on the file to begin the installation process. Click Next. After reading the agreement, I will toggle to Accept the agreement and hit Next. I'll leave the path as the default here and click Next again. And yet again. And finally, I'll leave the defaults here as well and click Next and now install. After it has been installed, go to your applications and locate RADKit service and open it. You can see here the service status is yellow and says not yet bootstrapped, which means it needs to be configured. Click on Configure RADKit. This will open a browser. Click on Advanced and then proceed to localhost. It will now ask you to create a password for the user superadmin. At this time, you cannot change the username. The password requirements are listed on the right. It will then ask you to repeat the password to ensure they match. Now click on Submit. Now it'll prompt you to log in. Enter the username, which is superadmin, and then the password you just created, and click Login. This will open the RADKit interface. You can see it's currently showing as disconnected, and there is no service ID. Navigate to Connectivity, and then select Enroll with SSO. Enter your email address for SSO login, and click Submit. For the SSO login link, select the Click Here. Accept the authorization request, and close the window. Once all steps have been completed, you can close that window. Now you can see it is showing as connected and there is a service ID. If you minimize the interface, you will also see it shows as connected on the RADKit service window. That's all there is to it. That's how to download RADKit and sign in for the first time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.